Hi kids, you're on the Team's Clay channel, and today we will create the green monster Jumbo Josh from the game Garten of Banban. In the first chapter of the game, we meet this green monster who has a huge green head, long arms and short legs. Seems like he lived in the basement, only nothing is known about him yet. While I'm doing Jumbo Josh, I'll tell you the story of his appearance. Oh my god, it seems that this green monster is watching us. Let's count how many times he will appear in the video. Write your answer in the comments to find out who is the most attentive of you. Once upon a time, in one small town, there was a private kindergarten of Banban. The kindergarten owner was a Mrs. Smith. She was very fond of children and animals. Therefore, her kindergarten was different from others and was special. In the kindergarten yard, she organized a vegetable garden and made a mini zoo with cute animals. There was even a small pond with a fountain. The children really enjoyed spending time and playing in the garden. They learned to grow vegetables and played with animals. But one day, everything changed forever. A crazy professor who loved to experiment on animals escaped from the prison. And he decided that the ideal place for him would be the basement of the kindergarten, where he would make his laboratory. Soon, the children began to notice that animals from the mini zoo began to disappear. The frog, Jumbo Josh, a favorite of children who lived in the pond, disappeared the very first. Meanwhile, the evil professor wasted no time. And his first experimental animal was a frog that lived in the pond. As a result of monster's experiments, he created a real monster. He kept him chained up and fed him vegetables from Mrs. Smith's garden. But one day he decided to give him raw meat. From that moment on, Jumbo Josh began to grow at an incredible speed and no longer fit in the cage. By the way, I have a Facebook group where I post two plasticine figures that you send me. Subscribe, send photos of your figurines that you made from plasticine, and on my channel I will publish them in videos. It was Team Clay, and see you! It was at this moment that he tore it to shreds and go out of the basement. Who does this character remind you of? Write in the comments.